I'm from Wichita, Kansas, and I just won a new 2021 Chevy Silverado. I am excited. I have always wanted a new vehicle, and especially a Chevy. They are a great brand name. They have great vehicles, and especially their trucks. Being able to haul stuff and take stuff where I need to take it, and I just enjoy that. I was so excited and really just like, wow, is this real? It didn't seem real at first. I'm looking forward to hauling some stuff and having some good times with my family.